I want to say congratulations, guys. You have watched, either you sat down for the last 4 weeks every day and watched the videos, or what you've done is you've went ahead and watched ahead. Either way, awesome job at seeing the core processes, some of the things that make Pink Power Home Cleaning different than the other places. Because again, it's about making the homeowner the hero, and we want to have you guys trained and be able to be processed to where you can quickly and easily do jobs. Because if you're trained and know how to do stuff really great, it's going to make it to where it's a lot easier for you to succeed and to make more money. Because again, in life, it's about how do I improve tomorrow to be better than I am today. Or another way of looking at it is today, how can I do better than I did yesterday? What are the things I failed at yesterday? How could I be better today? And that's what this is about. Thank you guys for taking the time, the dedication to watch these videos, to find out how to become the best home cleaner possible. Because you guys make the heroes, and through you just being smart and following the educational process, it makes it a lot easier on life. Thank you guys. You rock. See you around.